Hey guys, hope you had a good weekend. So I wanted to show you a quick video um, on a trade that I took over the weekend. So as you guys know, if you've been following me in the group, I have been doing a lot more cryptocurrency trading, and it's going extremely well at the moment. And it's quite cool because when you have the knowledge in one arena and you have a lot of expertise, and you go to another arena, you just have to adapt a few things in order to make money. And what's great about cryptocurrencies is that if you understand how they move and understand essentially where the high probability trades are, you're up against a lot of retail traders, and you can really take advantage of that if you have the knowledge. So what I've kind of been doing quite a lot is I've been essentially catching the high probability trades by being well organized. And I'm in a trade right now that I bought essentially because I set an alert. So I had an alert basically here, right? And the reason is because I had quite a few things here actually. I had the 200 Fibonacci. I had some angle lines, and this angle line here. This is actually a hidden level here. It's not actually an angle line, and so I had an alert pop up literally around 3-4 o'clock, and as soon as I saw it, I thought, wow, this is a great opportunity. So I kind of got to my desk, and I have basically, I was like, as quickly as I could, to buy, I bought this market up. And, and here's the thing, I think, this is why, yes, I had to come to my desk, but as soon as I saw the trade, I was like, this is going up, right? It's easy because I've done the work beforehand. And this is how you kind of make money without having to stare at your screens all the time. So, I've basically caught this move now, and I am still long, but I mean, what I'm basically doing here is I am looking at, whether I'm going to hold this and, see if it can break through this, because I think ultimately it's got, quite a lot more upside on the higher time frames. So when you look at the daily chart, you can see that this is a really nice uptrend at the moment, and I think we've got I think we'll be breaking 2000 possibly even this month and going higher. So overall I certainly think this is going higher, but it's a question of come out now and then look to buy it again. I mean, I've been doing this quite a bit, but obviously if you come out at some point you're going to miss the move. So again, you need to be kind of ready for that. So when I look at the 4-hour chart, I can see actually that we've had a really nice strong bullish move, and we are holding right here, okay, on this line. So it looks to me that this is ready to break higher, which is why I've kind of not closed the trade down yet, even though on the hourly it looks lower. I'm just kind of watching the price action here. So I'll just kind of show you where I entered. So you can see here I bought this at 1514, so I wanted to get in a bit closer to 1500, but it was still a good price. And you can see there, I mean, I'm not trading, I've not got a big amount of money in these accounts. I am just timing my entries and maximizing the return. So you can see there, it's like 428% return, so just over $2,300 so far. And and now I've just kind of got to make the decision of whether I am going to close it here or whether I'm going to hold it. And what I'm basically doing here is I'm just watching the price action here. If I don't like it, if it doesn't look like it's going to break now, here's what my plan is. I am basically going to close it, and then I am going to set an alert here, right? And basically, why am I doing that? Well, it's simple, because if I close it, I still think we're going higher, but it might be a case of, okay, well, I'll try and buy it a little bit lower, maybe back down to this line, or maybe even lower if it has a big drop. But if this market does break up, and it does look like it's going now, then I will just simply buy back in here. So in this case, I'd miss out on 30, 40 points, but it means that, you know, in the grand scheme of things, it's really not a lot, and I can basically get back in without the risk of, you know, basically giving back all my profits. So I'm just kind of monitoring this now for the next sort of 10-15 minutes. I want to see how it's looking, and then I'm going to make that decision. But I thought I'd share that with you guys. I know some of you already shown some interest in this. What's great about this, guys, is, you know, you don't need a huge account, you know, but you do need the skill to be able to trade this, and the knowledge. And, you know, that's why, you know, getting in somewhere like here, these sort of trades, as soon as you see them, they're like, you know, high probability, because literally my stop is always just going to be here. There's not going to be a lot of risk on these trades, and it's similar to how I trade FX, because, you know, I really believe that's the way to make big returns, you know, finding the key turning points, and then it's about sort of basically having a plan and identifying, you know, your exit point, and that's kind of like what I've been doing. So as I said, guys, the reason why I haven't closed this down is simply because I really like the way the 4 hour has closed. You know, that looks strong, really nice, and it just feels like maybe this is going to start to break higher. Maybe, you know, if we kind of draw a bit of resistance there, maybe this is going to go and test this kind of zone up here, back to sort of towards 1700, and that's why I'm just holding on for a minute. If I can't make a decision and it just isn't doing anything, I might also set an alert here. In fact, I'll do that now, and then I can just kind of leave it alone. If I don't like the look of it, I'll kind of close it out, lock in my profit, and then look again to either get in on a break up or on a pullback. All right, guys, hope that helps. Have a great day, guys. And if you are new to trading, in case you're not aware, we do have a brand new introduction to trading course. I'll post the link in the description of this video. So if you want to learn, you know, the key fundamental aspects of successful trading to have that foundation, it's completely free. Click the link and watch the course. Have a great day, guys. Take care. See you soon.